set up the easel paper where everybody can reach it. So open up the easel paper and figure that out. Might mean you have to sit differently, like you may need to move tighter together, but you need an easel paper where every person at your table can reach it. On your paper, we're going to make a series of concentric circles. All right, in the center circle, you're going to have 3 minutes. You're going to have 3 minutes to come up with a definition of survey in 10 words or less and include an image. You have 3 minutes. A definition in 10 words or less and include an image. Everybody needs a marker in their hand. Everyone needs a marker in their hand. And simultaneously, we're going to work on the next circle. The next circle simultaneously, that means everyone writes at the same time. You're going to put in there, what's the value of doing a survey? Why do we do it? What's the value? Everyone respond at the same time. What's the value? Next circle, go. On the next circle here, this one we did the why we're doing it, what the value is. And now this circle is what are the, everyone's going to do it simultaneously again. What are the skills we're learning or developing by doing surveys? What are all the different kinds of skills needed in doing surveys as you understand surveys right now? What are all the different kinds of skills going on? Look at what you did. And what I'd like you to look at is what are some key themes or ideas emerging? What are some concepts that you see repeated or similar comments or things that are unique you hadn't thought about? Take 2 minutes to talk about what's on your page. So let's talk about for a moment what we just did. What was this experience like to do this? What was the experience like of making the circles, doing the definition, coming up with each of these comments, and then taking 2 minutes to look at what you did? What was that experience like? Yes?
I was able to be enlightened by all of the adjectives, and I forget your name. Marissa was able to help with that, and that they're all linked, or someone said it here, but we all agree. There was linkage to all of this, I felt.
Anyone else what the process was like? What it was like to do this? Yes, please.
For me, it was just a reminder of how important the process is. Is that taking the time in order to think about what it is we're embarking on, or even what project we're going to do, that this is, it always brings you back to what I call staying mission-centered, right? It's true.
Thank you. Yes?
I felt like it was inspiring to hear other people's ideas, and then you were able to build off of it and come up with new ideas to link together.
Thank you. Yes?
Even though we were all writing at the same time, I felt like we were working together as a team and collaborating and sharing ideas. So it was an open dialogue, even though we're each contributing different things.
Great. Marissa?
The importance of constructing knowledge versus being told what to do or how to think about it.
Oh, I like that.
You can do this process with other topics, and I have. And then you could always say, well, what would go on the rest of the page? We might come back to this. We are going to have a moment later, but not yet, to go look at other tables so that we can extend that collaboration larger. Now, one last question. In what we've been doing so far today, what's the level of participation in the room? Because I often wonder, if I go to schools or the different workshops I do around the world, what is the level of participation you're satisfied with in your classroom? If you get 50% participation, is that okay with you? No. How about 60? No. Do I hear 80? What's the level of participation that is the only level that you'll go for? 100. So one of my challenges that I keep right front and center of me is to make sure I get 100% participation 100% of the time. How many people in the room were involved in doing this?
100%.
How many were involved in Marissa's line?
100.
Right? So this is what we're looking for. And people say, well, how do you keep it going? I say, well, that's called teaching. That's our career, that's our profession. We can do this and get everyone engaged. We are the Chief Engagement Officers, CEOs. That's what we do.